Okay guys, so I have moved the birds from the city to here. This is just a temporary loft. This is the temporary aviary. I use an old dog kennel to put the birds out here, for aviary, for the birds to fly out here. Excuse me, but the audio might be bad because of the wind. But yeah, it's an open loft. They just all in here. I still got about 10 peers back in the cities. This is just a temporary loft, guys. And right behind the loft here is where I have started to build. So I put it up a foot. That way the chickens, yeah, we have some chickens on the property as well. The chickens can clean up after the birds if they waste the feeds. So yeah, this is the location where I'll be building the breeder's loft. It's an 8x8. It's gonna be 6 feet high and at least 10, 12 nest boxes, depending. And yeah, I am out here now in the country, so I have a wide and open field, so the birds can be, you know, easily seen from anywhere. But I will update more on that later in the next video. But this is the chicken coop. It's insulated. It's got running electricity. Back there's just a empty shed. I was gonna build behind here, but it's away from the house, and I won't be able to see the birds from back here. So I mean from front and the back of the house on my patio. So I chose this spot for the loft. So yeah, guys, this is an update. But welcome back to the channel. I know it's been forever. I haven't told anyone, but except for Jack Burak. If you guys watch my channel, Jack Burak's local near me too, and I bought some birds from him, and he gifted a few birds to my kids, and I am blessed with that. Thank you, Jack. Your bird's been doing well. He gave me my daughter a pair of yellows. I forgot, gimples. I believe that's what they're called. And most of these are just the young birds we bred. And they're in here as well. So, and my foundation cockbird is right there. He bred me many colors, many good birds too. They all return home from 100-mile tosses. Like I said again, I don't race, so I don't, doesn't bother me if I lose a bird or not. But they all return, and this is his daughter right here. That one there. But yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel, and that's the update. So moving on, I'm going to build that breeder's loft and use this as a young bird's loft. Gonna build aviary right where the window is right there. And yeah, this is Jack Burak's, one of his gimbals, yellows. That's the hen. Oh yeah, sorry Jack, the young ones didn't make it. I guess Yeah, I guess they needed more room or something. Excuse the chickens in the back. They're quite loud, but it's what you have in when you live in the country now. So, yep, these are the birds in the update, and I'll keep the videos coming. Thanks for stopping back, guys. Thank you.